From my helper and myself, let's get breakfast started. Thank you for joining us for breakfast. We are having strawberry banana oatmeal with granola and hemp seeds. Try it. Thank you so much for the love on my last What We Eat in a Day video. I really enjoyed putting it together and I'm glad that you guys liked it and supported it, and here we are with another one. Yay! Happy lunchtime. We are here with our pizza roll, avocado, and fruit for Gideon. Make sure everything is nice and smashed. And then for me, I just made a salad, which is right here. And I'm gonna get to it in just a second. You know we've gotta feed babies first. Oh, yummy. Like your avocado. My plan was to have a picnic outside, but the wind just picked up. Everything feels like it's blowing all over Ecuador, so right now we're staying put. Maybe for a snack we'll go outside. Salad is basically made up from leftovers, roasted veggies, the rest of his avocado, some sausage I found in the fridge, and then some spinach and Italian dressing. That's it. I was craving like something healthy, but also something a little fatty, so the sausage definitely helps with that. That's good. What did I expect? Somebody is up from his nap, so we're gonna look for a snack. I think it's gonna be something super easy. Got the oven going and the dishwasher going, so it's kind of loud. But let me just grab the snack and show you what he's gonna have. I'm not hungry for a snack. I might have dessert later. Stay tuned for some dessert. I got these from our local supermarket here, and we have not tried them yet, even though they're open. Let me put this baby down. My back hurts. This is a drawer of all of his things. Some of my things are in here too. But yeah, just having a blast. More dishes to probably wash later, but that's okay. At least I can do a snack real quick without any interruptions. Me not wanting a snack has turned into wanting some nuts with a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of chocolate. So I just made myself a little snack situation here, and just a little bit. This is what happens when I don't just like make a dedicated snack. But this actually is perfect, so. So it is my turn to eat dinner now. I fed Gideon, did our whole nighttime routine, and now he is asleep. And I'm going to enjoy a good meal, y'all. I'm so excited to eat. So we've got our chicken and potatoes. I still have mom brain, so I sometimes can lose it. And then some Parmesan lemon lime broccoli. So I'm actually gonna try the broccoli first. So good. I should have heated this up, but too lazy, too hungry. So slightly cold, even cold, it's delicious. So we'll do combo with the potato and the chicken. There's a dog outside. That's pretty good. Would you like some sriracha? My husband is here. He's NBA champions. Yeah, sriracha actually is gonna really set this off, I think. Do a nice little drizzle on everything. That's it.